Here's how to book a hotel in San Francisco for World Cup 2026. First, open up any web browser and go to booking.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, in the search bar, you do not want to type San Francisco directly. Instead, type Levi's Stadium or Santa Clara, CA as your destination to ensure you're looking at properties within a reasonable distance of the venue. Once your search result load, look at the site filter, then tap on that. Now narrow your distance down to 3 miles from the stadium. Premium options are located directly to the stadium ground and offer shortest walking time. If hotels immediately surrounding the stadium are fully booked or outside your budget, you want to look for properties near the VTA light rail line or Caltrain station. This allows you to stay a bit further away and take the train directly to stadium gates to completely bypass match day traffic and expensive rideshare surges. Once you have found an optimized property that aligns with your transit plan, choose your room and complete your checkout to secure your spot for the tournament. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.